Tiruvan University 2080 partial exam, bachelor level, 4 years program, education, BA second year, English for communication, English education 423, major subject, question paper, full marks 80, time 3 hours. Here are given 3 groups. In group A, there are given 14 multiple choice question. Each question has mark 1 and total marks of group A is 14. In group B, there are given 6 question. Each question has mark 7 and total marks of group B is 42, and in group B there are given 2 or question. In group C there are given 2 question. Each question has mark 12 and total marks of group C is 24. In group C 1 or question is given. Group A, attempt all questions, tick the best answer. Question number 1. In which situation is it appropriate to use the informal greeting hey? A. Meeting a professor for the first time. B. Addressing a group of colleagues. C. Greeting close friends at a casual gathering. D. Introducing yourself in a job interview. Question number 2. How do grammatical functions contribute to effective communication? A. Grammatical functions are relevant in effective communication. B. Grammatical functions create emotion and feeling in language. C. Grammatical functions ensure that students are structured correctly for clear and accurate communication. D. Grammatical functions are only necessary for formal language use. Question number 3. In the following conversation, the expression "that's what I heard" refer to ... Capital A said that they said it's going to be really sunny tomorrow. Capital B said that that's what I heard. Option A, saying someone is correct. B, saying you know about something. C, saying you have forgotten. D, saying you remember. Question number 4. In the following conversation, the expression hold on, most students are interested in enrolling into you serves ... communicative function of language. Capital A said that every student is interested to enroll in Tiruvan University. Capital B said that hold on, most of the students are interested to enroll there. Option A, giving your opinion. B, giving reasons. C, saying you have remembered. D, correcting someone. Question number 5. The expression I have no doubt that he is telling the truth is used for ... A, asking if someone is sure about something. B, saying what you think is possible or impossible. C, saying you are sure. D, talking about what might happen. Question number 6. Which of the following expression serves the communicative function of giving reasons? A, the reason was that she was feeling unwell and had to escape the party. B, I have no strong feeling about the design of the logo. I am open to different options. C, it is difficult to say which team will win the match. Both have strong players. D, there are other considerations. Question number 7. Which of the following language function does the expression let me help you push it serve? Question mark. A, accepting an offer of help. B, refusing an offer of help. C, saying you are able to do something. D, offering to do something to someone. Question number 8. The expression would it be an idea to invite some guest speakers for the conference? Question mark. Is spoken when we ... someone. A, suggest. B, threaten. C, request. D, invite. Question number 9. Which of the following exemplifies proposing a toast? A, thanks a lot. B, take it easy. C, cheers. D, consider a while. Question number 10. What is the main objective of narrating events? A, to discuss the form, function, relation in language. B, to recount a sequence of past actions or experiences. C, to describe the grammatical function of sentences. D, to give commands and make requests. Question number 11. Which of the following sentences contain an example? Question mark. A, I had a great time at the party last night. B. Could you please pass me the salt? C. For instance, the Statue of Liberty is a symbol of freedom. D. Good morning, everyone. How are you doing? Question number 12. Which of the following is not true about the CV? A. A CV is a job application itself. B. Employers often use CVs as an initial screening tool for shortlisting candidates for interviews. C. A CV is a formal and professional representation of your career. D. A CV is a snapshot of your qualification, skill, and experiences. Question number 13. When writing a report, what is the primary objective? A. To entertain the readers with engaging stories. B. To express personal opinions and viewpoints. C. To persuade the readers to take a specific action. D. To provide actual information and analysis on a particular topic. Question number 14. What is the first step in writing process? A. Editing and revisiting the draft. B. Brainstorming and generating ideas. C. Finalizing the publication. D. Proofreading for grammar errors. Look carefully Group B and Group C and give the answer. बीएड फर्स्ट इयरदेखि बीएड फोर्थ इयरसम्मका रेगुलर तथा पार्सियल इक्जामका जुनसुकै विषयका प्रश्नपत्रहरू चाहिएमा वी लर्न टुगेदर 1M को प्लेलिस्ट बीएड मेटेरियल एन्ड क्वेसन पेपरमा गई खोज्नुहोला र आफ्नो विषयको प्रश्नपत्र हेरी तयारी राम्रो गरी इक्जाम राम्रो गर्नुहोला। भिडियोलाई लाइक, कमेन्ट, सब्सक्राइब, सेयर र कमेन्ट गर्न नभुल्नुहोला र अन्य कुरा केही भएमा कमेन्टमा उल्लेख गर्दै जानुहोला। धन्यवाद।